Class 11th, Subject Physics, 11th chapter, Electric current through conductors. Electric current through conductors. From the chapter, let us see numericals from exercise. Numericals from exercise. Let us see numerical number 10, which is stated as: find the color code for the following value of resistor having the tolerance plus minus 10%. So for each and every resistance, the tolerance is given plus minus 10%, and we have to find out the color code. For this, the values of resistances are given: A 330 ohm, B 100 ohm, C 47 kilo ohm, D 160 ohm, and E 1 kilo ohm. So let us find the corresponding color code for all these values of resistances. So from these values of resistances, first two digits will represent the colors which will give us the number. Then this third wheel, which represents multiplier, will give us third color, and the fourth color will be for plus minus 10% tolerance, that is for silver. And therefore for this A 330 ohm, the color code will be orange, orange, brown, silver. Orange, orange, brown, silver. Then for B 100 ohm, color code will be brown, black, brown, silver. Brown, black, brown, silver. Then for C, that is 47 kilo ohm, yellow, violet, orange, silver. Yellow, violet, orange, silver. Then D 160 ohm, for this color code will be brown, blue, brown, silver. Brown, blue, brown, silver. And for E 1 kilo ohm, color code is brown, black, red, silver. Brown, black, red, silver. Then let us see next numerical, that is numerical number 11, which is given as: a current of 4 ampere flows through an automobile headlight. How many electrons flow through the headlight in a time 2 hours? And therefore the given data is I is equal to 4 ampere, T is equal to 2 hour, time is 2 hour, that will be converted into second as 2 into 3600, which comes out to be 7200 second. Then charge on electron E is given 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and we have to find out number of electrons flowing N. But we know that current is rate of flow of charge, that is charge per unit time. Current is equal to charge upon time, that is I will be equal to Q by T. I will be equal to Q by T, but that Q will be equal to NE. Number N into charge on one electron will give us this charge, and therefore we can write N is equal to IT upon E, as I is equal to NE upon T. Therefore N is equal to IT upon E. Putting the values, we will get 4 into 7200 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. 4 into 7200 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, which will be written as 4 into 72 into 10 raised to 22 upon 16. 4 into 72 into 10 raised to 22 upon 16, which will be equal to N is equal to 72 by 4 into 10 raised to 2, which is equal to 18 into 10 raised to 22. 18 into 10 raised to 22, which will be written as N is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to 23. 1.8 into 10 raised to 23. These are the number of electrons flowing through that headlight. And then let us go for numerical number 12, which is given as: the heating element connected to 230 volt, draws a current of 5 ampere. Determine the amount of heat dissipated in 1 hour given that J equal to 4.2 joule per calorie, and therefore the given data for this numerical is phi equal to 230 volt, I is equal to 5 ampere, time t is equal to 1 hour, that will be equal to 3600 second, that is 3600 second. Then mechanical equivalent of heat, that is J is given 4.2 joule per calorie, and we have to find out the heat dissipated H. According to heating effect, Joule's heating effect, the amount of heat dissipated will be given as H is equal to phi IT upon J. Phi IT upon J, that will be equal to, putting the values, 230 into 5 into 3600 divided by 4.2. Solving this, we will get H is equal to 9.857 into 10 raised to 5. 9.857 into 10 raised to 5, which will be written as 985.7 into 10 raised to 3 calorie. 985.7 into 10 raised to 3 calorie. That means this 9.857 into 10 raised to 5 is written as 985.7 into 10 raised to 3 calorie, which will be further written as H is equal to 985.7 kilocalorie. So this much amount of heat will be dissipated.